Hello and welcome to Letsee Garage. Finally, I have dismantled the engine completely. I have a question for you. Should I just continue to with the engine, or should I take more close look of the parts that I've removed from the engine? Maybe removing the auxiliary shaft and stuff like that. What is your opinion? Please let me know on a comment box below. Thank you. Enjoy! Oh shoot. Another episode of how to maintain an engine of a Lotus Esprit Turbo SE from 1989. In Finland we call it kiila. Oh shoot! Huh? How this can be in here? Huh? I have no idea. And here's the O-ring. Oil pickup pipe, this one. It's a huge 19mm hex socket. Oh man, that was this copper side against crankshaft. Number 1, number 2. Oh, this is worn badly. You can't take it from here, so you need to measure the thickness of the block and the housing. Oh shoot. If you like to see more detailed video about the liner removal tour, for example, then just click the Patreon link on the description box below. Thank you for your support. It's coming, as you can see. Ta-da! Like, subscribe and leave a comment below. And remember that anything is possible and you can have everything you want. Thanks for watching.
You can do everything that you want.